The Hawker 400 is a small twin-engine jet corporate aircraft. Initially designed and built by Mitsubishi, it has been further developed and updated by the Beech Aircraft Company, now part of Hawker Beechcraft. Design and development. The aircraft was originally designed as the Mitsubishi Mu-300 Diamond, an all-new, all-jet development to complement and slot above the Mitsubishi Mu-2 and provide Mitsubishi Heavy Industries with their top-of-the-line corporate aircraft model. The aircraft first flew on August 29, 1978. It is a small, low-wing twin-turbofan aircraft of all-metal construction, flown by a crew of 2 pilots and accommodating 8 passengers in a pressurized cabin. Its wings use a computer-designed, supercritical airfoil in order to minimize drag. Its 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada JT-15D turbofans are mounted on the rear fuselage. Beechcraft bought the production rights and began manufacturing it as their own model, initially redesignated as the Beech Jet 400. The Beech Jet 400 was certificated by the Federal Aviation Administration in May 1986. Raytheon Beechcraft steadily developed their own improvements to the model, leading to the 400A in 1990. Improvements in the 400A include longer range, higher takeoff weights and improved luxury appointments. An all-glass flight deck was also offered. Beechcraft also developed a version for the United States Air Force known as the T-1A Jayhawk, used as a trainer for large aircraft crews. A total of 180 T-1A trainers were delivered between 1992 and 1997. Another military variant is the Japan Air Self-Defense Force 400T trainer, which shares the same type certificate as the T-1A. In 1993, Raytheon purchased the Hawker business jet product line from British Aerospace. The Beech Jet 400 was eventually renamed the Hawker 400 to map it into the Hawker product line. The Hawker 400 XP incorporates further aerodynamic, mechanical and interior improvements gleaned from the Hawker 800 XP. In October 2008, Hawker Beechcraft announced upgrades to the design, resulting in the new model designation Hawker 450 XP. Upgrades were to include new, more fuel-efficient engines. The Hawker 450 XP was cancelled in June 2009 due to poor economic conditions. Nextant Aerospace developed a program to remanufacture the Beech Jet 400A, replacing the Pratt & Whitney engines with Williams FJ44S, plus a new avionics suite and interior, among other improvements. The remanufactured aircraft, called the Nextant 400 XT, received FAA certification in October 2011. Variants: Mitsubishi Mu-300 Diamond I, initial model. 2 prototypes and 89 production aircraft built, 56 in active use as of 2014. Mitsubishi Mu-300-10 Diamond II, improved version of Diamond I. 11 built, all subsequently redesignated as Beech Jet 400s. Beechcraft Model 400 Beech Jet, version of Diamond II built after Beechcraft bought the production rights to the Mu-300 from Mitsubishi, 54 built in addition to 11 Diamond IIs. Model 400A, upgraded model, initially produced as the Beechcraft Beech Jet 400A, then Raytheon Beech Jet 400A, then Raytheon Hawker 400 XP, then Hawker Beechcraft Hawker 400 XP. 1 prototype converted from Model 400 and 593 built as of the end of 2009. Model 400T, military version of the Model 400A, 180 built for the United States Air Force as the T-1 Jayhawk and 13 built for the Japan Air Self-Defense Force. Hawker 400 XPR, a factory-engineered and supported upgrade first flown May 2012. The conversion features new avionics, interior, winglets, and Williams FJ44-4A32 engines. Operators: the type is used by many corporate and private users, it is also used by air taxi and air charter companies. NetJets Europe operates a fleet of 27 Hawker 400 XPs. Specifications: data from Brass's World Aircraft and Systems Directory 1999/2000, general characteristics, crew, 2 pilots, capacity, 7 a Euro 9 passengers, length, 48 feet 5 inches, Wingspan, 43 feet 6 in, height, 13 feet 11 in, wing area, 241.4 square feet, empty weight, 10,050 pounds, useful load, 5,850 pounds, max takeoff weight, 16,100 pounds, power plant, tour, Pratt & Whitney Canada JT15D5 turbofan, 2,900 pound forces each, performance, maximum speed, 468 knots, cruise speed, 443 knots at 23,000 feet, stall speed, 92 knots, range, 1,693 mi at 45,000 feet, service ceiling, 45,000 feet, rate of climb, 3,770 feet per minute. See also, related development, Hawker 800, aircraft of comparable role, configuration and era, Cessna Citation Jet, Dassault Falcon 10, Learjet 25, Learjet 70, related lists, list of civil aircraft. References, notes. Bibliography, Field, Hugh and Hurst, Mike. The Great Street Louis Meeting. Flight International, September 30, 1978, pages 1261 €1266. Taylor, John W. Janes All the World's Aircraft 1988-89. Coulston, UK, Janes Defence Data, 1988. ISBN 0-7106-0867-5. Taylor, Michael J. H. Brasses World Aircraft and Systems Directory 1999/2000. London, Brasses, 1999. ISBN 1-85753-245-7. Whittaker, Richard. Diamond 1, Mitsubishi's first business jet. Flight International, July 18, 1981, pages 163 €170. External links, Hawker 400 XP on the Hawker website.